Is blogging still worth it in 2021? Well, that depends on the approach you will have with your blogging. Hi, Tommy here. So, is it still worth it? I'm gonna get into that in a moment now, but first, if you're not subscribed yet, then make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that you never miss out on tips like this. So, is blogging still worth it? Yes, but it depends on if you think that you're gonna make some fast money with blogging, then I can say that you will not. But if you aim for the longer perspective, yeah, you still can make money blogging. But it has become a bit harder to make money blogging compared to how it was some back in the days when it was pretty new. But what you gotta do now to make money from your blog is, like I mentioned, have plan for the longer perspective and share different types of content, not just text. Although it's great if you share a lot of value through your blog, but you gotta do it in different ways to get more traffic or more exposure. Do videos, do podcasts, do Facebook Lives or whatever. Because of the high level of competition, you gotta get your content out in as many ways as possible. And when you have created content, no matter if it's a video or a blog post or article, whatever, you need to share it as much as possible on different social media sites, because if you just create content and let it sit there, so to say, without sharing it, then you can leave a lot of traffic and money on the table. So, and it's kind of like you have blogged for nothing, because you gotta share your content. You can't depend on that people will just find your blog by themselves and so on. So, and when it comes to videos and blog posts, if you have the same keywords in the videos as well as in the blog post, that video can help your blog post to rank and vice versa. So put a video, quite often anyway, in your post to make it more interesting and so on. So, and focus on to being the best version of you when you blog and create content. Try to be better than all the others. You can't have an overview of all the competition, but write as much content, valuable content, give your best ideas and so on to stand out. And write long blog posts. Don't be kind of lazy. I don't think you're lazy, but don't write the blog post too short. Share as much value as possible. So this is the tips I have about blogging. Hope you like these tips. And below this video I've shared a link now to my #1 recommendation when it comes to making money online. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it, and have a nice day. Bye bye.